Dear viewers, this video showcases a collection of words that begin with the letter A, which can be useful for individuals preparing for competitive exams or looking to improve their vocabulary. I humbly request that you consider subscribing to my channel to stay informed about future updates of this nature. Let's look at word appalling means causing shock, horror, or disgust, very bad, terrible, or unpleasant. It is often used to describe something that is unacceptable and lacks moral standards. Sentences using appalling. The condition of the old house we saw was appalling, and we decided not to buy it. The way the animals were treated at the circus was appalling, and many people protested against it. I was shocked and saddened to hear about the appalling damage caused by the hurricane in the city.
Let's look at word apparatus, means a set of equipment or tools used for a specific purpose or activity. It can also refer to a complex system that performs a particular function, often in a scientific or technical context. Sentences using apparatus. The science lab is full of apparatus like microscopes and test tubes that we use to conduct experiments. A firefighter's apparatus includes a helmet, protective clothing, and a hose to put out fires. The magician used a secret apparatus to make his tricks look even more amazing and impressive. Let's look at word apparition, means a ghostly or spectral figure that appears suddenly, often in a surprising or supernatural way. It is a term often associated with spooky or airy phenomena, such as ghosts, phantoms, or other unexplained visions or phenomena. Sentences using apparition. Sally thought she saw an apparition of a ghost in her room at night, but it was just a reflection from a street light. Jake claimed he spotted an apparition of a monster under his bed, but it turned out to be his imagination. The old castle was rumored to be haunted by apparitions of knights and soldiers who had died there in battle. Let's look at word appearance, refers to the way someone or something looks or seems, especially in terms of their physical attributes, clothing, or style. It can also refer to the first impression or initial observation made when seeing someone or something for the first time. Sentences using appearance. The new student made a great appearance on their first day of school by dressing nicely and introducing themselves to everyone. The cat's fluffy appearance and playful nature made it a favorite among the neighborhood kids. The superhero's appearance was always a mystery, and nobody knew what they looked like under their mask and cape. Let's look at word appealingness, means the quality of being attractive, interesting, or appealing to someone, the degree to which something or someone is likable. It is a subjective and relative term that often depends on individual preferences and tastes. Sentences using appealingness. The new toy has a colorful and interactive design that adds to its appealingness to kids. Our mom made this cake with extra chocolate frosting because she knows it increases its appealingness to us. My friend chose the blue dress over the pink one because the blue dress had more appealingness to her fashion sense.